How to use a Walmart gift card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use a Walmart gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically use a Walmart gift card online, go to walmart.com, sign into your account, and then in order to redeem or use it, you have to make sure to add the products to your cart. Then tap the cart icon from the top right. Now we're simply going to head over to the checkout page by just tapping the continue to checkout button here. Now when we go to the checkout option, under the payment details you'll find many options, where under it, if you look, you'll find an option called gift card, now which means that there isn't a specific section to enter a gift card number. So what you have to do, you just have to go ahead and then make sure to enter the gift card number right in this card number button, and then once you enter the gift card number, if it asks you for other details, you can do that and then redeem your gift card in that way. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically use a Walmart gift card online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.